Now I know we've all had our fair share of losses. We've seen those red days where it feels like nothing's going right. But remember, every setback is just a setup for a comeback. Success in trading isn't about avoiding losses altogether. It's about learning from them and bouncing back stronger than ever. It's about staying disciplined, sticking to your strategy, and never letting fear dictate your decisions. These charts may seem intimidating at first, but they're also full of opportunities waiting to be seized. So don't be afraid to take the leap of faith, to trust your instincts, and to ride those waves of volatility all the way to the top. And when you do hit those big wins, don't forget to celebrate your victories. Because in this game, every win, no matter how small, is a testament to your skill, your perseverance, and your unwavering dedication to success. So here's to you, fellow traders. Here's to the late nights, the early mornings, and the endless hours spent analyzing charts. Here's to the highs, to the lows, to the wins and the losses, and everything in between. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about making money. It's about proving to yourself and the world that you've got what it takes to thrive in the world of trading.